Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not loading properly. So to start, close ChatGPT and go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and go to General. Next, click on iPhone storage. And in here, you need to scroll down and look for ChatGPT. You can also search it. So type in ChatGPT and open it. Now in here, you have two options. What we need to do is to click on Offload App and click on Offload App to confirm the action. So floating ChatGPT will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So tap on Offload App and tap on Reinstall App. Then just wait for it to finish. You can also delete the app, but that will delete all related data from your phone. So it's better to click on Offload App. Next, once done, close settings and go to ChatGPT and see if that fixes your problem. Now, for the next method, you can also click on the two lines at the top left, click on your profile icon at the top right, and then tap on log out and log back in. So sometimes simply logging out and logging back in helps resolve the issue. So log in again. So tap on continue. So sign in with your Google. You can sign in with Apple, Microsoft, or continue with phone. So choose your Gmail account. And once login, try again and see if that solves your problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching.